Yeah, look at me cutting myself. These do not come out anymore. It's a size 10. Yo, we back with another video, and today we have an unboxing. So let's get into the video. First off, I want to say I appreciate all y'all watching the videos. We're gonna try to get more out every other day. If we start getting likes on this video, we will start posting more, but y'all are viewing it but aren't liking it. But anyways, let's get into the shoe. So on these, I bought these online. I got them for a steal. It came with OG box, and I believe this was a reseller who was selling it. So I kind of knew it was gonna be something good. They even wrapped this perfectly. They double wrapped the box. They even taped the bottom of it, so I have to cut the bubble wrap up just to get into the box. That's cool. You usually never see this from anybody that is selling sneakers. But I want y'all to take a guess on what these are. Yeah, look at me cutting myself. But these are the Jordan 12 colorway gray, blue, and white. It's gray, blue, and white. These do not come out anymore. It's a size 10, and these are already sold, but it doesn't hurt to show y'all what it is. So we already have the ship out of these sneakers already on the page, but I forgot to add us unboxing it. So right here, these are the Jordan 12 University Blues. And when I say I got these for a steal, I got these for a steal. And they are like 10 out of 10 condition. Could have passed for dead stock. Other than that, these are fire. I would rock these any day of the week. I can put this on with any outfit. In the comments, let me see what y'all think y'all can rock these with. And that will be it for the video. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you want more, like and subscribe to the channel. And we are out.